Hello and welcome to Cook Food Easily. And in my channel, I explore easy dishes, beginner dishes, and also dishes from all over the world and India. So in this series, I am going to taste different dishes from India made in my kitchen, and I will share the review with you. In today's episode, I am actually uncovering another favorite ingredient of mine, and that is curd. I love having curd at any part of the day. It's one of the favorite protein meal which I really like, and it's also very light on stomach. It's like probiotic, so I just love curd. When I was researching about curd, it came to my notice that in every region curd is used in a very different form. So today I'm exploring some very different forms of curd. So we are making mosaranna from Karnataka, which is like a curd rice. What am I tasting today? It's the mosaranna. It's from Karnataka. Basically curd rice, and mosaru means curd and anna means rice. I've always loved curd rice, and this version also is very nice. The only difference what I feel from the Tamil Nadu version is this is little more thicker. The Tamil Nadu version is little more watery. So yeah, try it. I didn't have pomegranate, so I'm trying it with blueberry. You can put any fruit of your choice, but pomegranate and grapes works the best. Taste 4 on 5. Ease of making 5 on 5. Surprise element, I have been having curd rice for so long, so it is not at all surprising for me. So 1 on 5. I always make it at home, so yes, I would make it again. And we are trying Rajma Madra, which I tried for the first time, and this is from Himachal. I've had different kinds of Rajmas earlier, but this kind of Rajma I love because the gravy is yogurt, and I really like the gravies which is yogurt based, and I would say that it is one of the yummiest way to make Rajma. The taste of ghee, the taste of yogurt, curd or dahi comes out really strong in this dish. And if you have never tried something like this, you must make it, because the khada masalas which you put, the flavor has like totally gone into the gravy and it tastes very smooth. Katori is like almost half khali while recording itself. I love it. Taste factor, I think it is jolly 5 on 5. You guys must try it. It's very easy to make, so 5 on 5 again. No onion, no tomato, no masala making and all that, so 5 on 5. It was very surprising as in how the dish turned out to be, so I would give it a 5 on 5. Definitely I'll make it again, yes. We are trying kadhi pakoda from Punjab. So I have made the Punjabi kadhi pakoda and I'm going to taste it now. I think the taste enhances of the curry because of the coriander seeds which we put. I'm going to try it with rice as well. So the pakodis have come out really soft, and because it's palak, and palak is one of my favorite veggies to add in pakodas. Let's see how it tastes. Very different. and very fresh because of the palak. I think I love this combo. Taste factor. Oh, it's amazing. I would say if I could give more than 5, yeah, 5 and 5. Ease of making, the procedure is very long and it takes a long time to be made. So I would say 3 on 5. I make it once in a month. So yes, definitely. And we are trying Dahi Baigan from Orissa. Very simple. It's basically like, you can call it Baigan Raita. I think the taste would really enhance if I, fry the Baigan rather than, shallow frying it. But for a simple, comforting dish, very good. I loved the taste. It's 5 on 5. Ease of making, 5 on 5. Surprise element, I would say that simple things always awe my mind, so 5 on 5. And yes, definitely I would make it again. Rajma Madra, Kadhi Pakoda, Rajma Madra, I think Dahi Baigan. So I hope you liked the episode. So please like, share and subscribe. So I would love to know, what do you guys make with curd? Please write it in the comment. I would love to explore the dishes from your region as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.